Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the system. Pick alphabetical, numeric, date, or topical grouping because it shapes every step. Once chosen, select tab type, printable or pre-printed, and match size to your binder. Make sure you have labels, a ruler, a pen, and adhesive tabs ready. This reduces rework. Now mark rough section breaks on the index using a pencil. These early marks save time later. Begin labeling the first few tabs so you can test fit and spacing before committing. You will label and arrange systematically to avoid future confusion. Start by designing consistent labels, same font size and capitalization, because consistency speeds scanning. Once done, apply labels to tabs. If you have many sections, stagger tabs with a 1/4 offset so each row is readable. Then group documents into their sections and insert dividers temporarily to verify order and spacing. Make sure to test page turning and tab visibility. Adjust placement before you press adhesive firmly for a permanent hold. You finish by securing and documenting so the system lasts. Press each tab firmly, trim any overhang, and reinforce corners with clear tape if you expect heavy use. Next, create an index table on the front page listing section names and page ranges. This helps others find material quickly. If things go wrong, tabs peel or misalign, remove and reapply with stronger adhesive or use reinforced, laminated tabs. Finally, routinely review the index monthly to reassign.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.